Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether Google Sheets can actually replace Excel for serious business use or if it's just good for light tasks. Google Sheets is a free, cloud-first spreadsheet tool that supports real-time collaboration, automatic saving, version history, and seamless integration with Google Workspace, making it excellent for team projects, dashboards, and light to moderate data analysis. But even with add-ons, pivot tables, and new AI features, it still falls short of Excel's deeper functions like Power Query, VBA script writing, advanced statistical modeling, and full offline performance. So while Google Sheets absolutely works for most business workflows and is perfect for distributed teams, Excel still wins when it comes to a raw power and complex financial tasks. That's the full review. Sheets is powerful, but know when to switch. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast software breakdowns.